everybody, welcome to V Zone. This is V, and today we are going to make stickers, and not the stickers that we paint, add sellotape, then stick it with glue. We are going to make stickers that we usually buy in stationery shop, like this. I have made so many. Let me show you. This one, then this one, and this one. So many. Anyways, what I'm going to show you and what's so special about this stickers is like you can just pull it out and stick. See? Let me show you a big one. This big one. See? And I'm so happy with these stickers. Which one? Which one? Which one? This pink bag. This is one of my favorite. Okay. Oh, see? So we are going to make this one. First thing you need is some paintings of doodles, or you can print it out, or you can paint whatever you want. Then we will cut it out like this, leaving some white borders. I have cut one and I painted it beforehand so that I don't make this video for too long. We'll cut all of this first. Yes, we will not add sellotape now. We will add sellotape later. First thing we need is we need to cut everything like this. Done with the cutouts. Now these are the stickers I already made and these are the stickers I am going to make. Now what I need is a nameplate and Fevicol. Don't use any glue stick or any coloring liquid glue because that doesn't work as good as Fevicol. Now cover the stickers entirely with Fevicol. Make sure you cover the edges especially because if you don't it will come off when we cut it out again. Now I will stick the sticker one by one. It's done. I am going to let it dry and waste a little bit of stickiness of the nameplate because this nameplate is very sticky, and when I tried for first time it didn't came off the transparent sheet. So I'm wasting the stickiness a little. Once the glue dries, now it's time for sellotape, and I will just add sellotape one by one with the stickers. Then I will cut the stickers just like I cut it previous time. And if you are worried about it will stick to your finger, how will you cut it? Look at it. It is sticking to my finger too. So I don't think it will be a very big problem. If the glue dries, if it doesn't, then the nameplate will fall off from the stickers because of your finger. So yeah, let the glue dry. And now we are done with the stickers, and I am going to decorate the transparent sheet with the stickers one by one. I am adding the big stickers at a distance, then filling the gap with small stickers. This is the final result. I hope you like this. And I tried to cover all the blunders that I did while making these stickers. I hope you will find this helpful. Anyways, doesn't this sticker looks like the stickers that we buy from stationery shop? It does for me. If you have any opinion, do let me know. If you like it, don't like it, do let me know in comments and subscribe to Be Scrub Zone.